Today we are going to show you the process of making fried chicken basil with fried egg and ready to go and watch. First of all, let's look at the raw material first.
Raw material: egg, chicken, garlic, basil, basil leaf,
sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, fish sauce, monosodium glutamate.
Okay, let's see the step to do it.
Step to do: crack egg and fry until cooking. Pound the chili and garlic together. Heat the pan and add the chili and garlic. Add the chicken and mix well until the chicken starts to cook.
Season with oyster sauce. Add fish sauce. Add sugars. Condiments. And add basil leaf and stir together until cooked. Scoop hot steam right over the rice. This is all done and ready to eat. It's easy, right? Fan can cook at home with a few ingredients. Today I would like to end this clip just like this. Thank you for watching.